let's make some Sriracha chicken wings with Sriracha honey dipping sauce. All right, if you don't like chicken wings, this is not the video for you. We are going to be making some fantastic Sriracha chicken wings. We're going to be grilling them up outside and pairing them with that delicious sauce. So let's get started. Now I have about 5 pounds of wings right here, somewhere between 4 and 5. I think it's closer to 5. Now we're going to be seasoning these today, and tomorrow is when we're going to be cooking them. So what I want to do is get a base layer of flavor on here, and that's going to consist of a Sriracha binder with a rub on top of that. Now we're going to put about 2 tablespoons of Sriracha in here and toss everybody around to get a good coating on the outside. Toss everybody around, get the Sriracha on the skin. If we need to add more, we can, but I think that'll be enough. Now I'm going to take these wings and dump them out on a tray so we can get our rub on them. Just want to spread these around a bit. We're going to be transferring these again to another tray with a rack in it so they can sort of air dry overnight in the refrigerator. But this just makes it easier to get the rub on. Now you can use any rub you want. I'm using lemon pepper honey from Uncle Dave's. Let me get a good coating on here. This is a mix of flats and drummies. Flip these over. Season this side. That's looking good. Let's get these racked. Now I have a rack in my large baking tray here. This just helps keep the chicken wings up off of the bottom so that they're not sitting in any juice that sweats off. Lets them air dry more overnight. Kind of helps get that non-rubbery skin. See if we're going to fit everybody, if we have to kind of play Tetris and rearrange. So what's your favorite, flats or drummies? I go back and forth. Let me know down in the comments which one you like, flats or drummies. I think I'm going to need to shift everybody down this way a little bit just to get another row in. See, are we going to make it? Might be close. And there we go, we made it. All right, this is going in the refrigerator overnight. Tomorrow before we go out to the grill, we're going to make our dipping sauce. All right, our wings have been soaking in that flavor overnight in the refrigerator. In a minute, I'm going to get them out to the grill. I'm not going to do any talking out there because really it's just get them on the grill, let them go until they're done and get them off. First, I want to get our dipping sauce ready for these wings. And I just want to point something out. In the background, you might hear a dog. You might hear him chewing on his bone, things like that. He's not going to be on camera quite yet, but you will get to see him. We just got our new dog. His name is Mac. He's an 8-year-old rescue from the same shelter we got our previous 2 dogs from. We've been without a dog for a couple years, and I think Mac's going to make a great grilling buddy. I'll throw a picture up here of him so you can see, but I'm certain he'll make some appearances on camera as we move forward. Now in our bowl here, I've got a cup of sour cream. To this, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of Sriracha. I'm also going to add about a tablespoon of some spicy brown mustard. About a tablespoon of honey. Next up, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and half a teaspoon of hatch chili pepper flakes. If you can't get hatch chili pepper flakes, red pepper flakes are fine. We're going to mix this up. Let me get just a little taste here, see how we're doing. I'm liking that, but I want some more Sriracha in there. I'm going to add another tablespoon and a half of Sriracha sauce. Mix that in. These are our Sriracha wings after all. Got to get some of that good flavor in the sauce. Mac, come here. Come over here. We'll give you a quick appearance, Mac. Say hello. He decided to come hang out in the kitchen while I'm working here. Get another quick taste. Oh, yeah. Just that much more of the Sriracha. Perfect. Again, you might see him wandering behind me and his tail going. I think you can see his tail right there. He's a good boy. All right, I'm gonna get the wings out to the grill. We're gonna be going at 275 degrees. We're gonna be burning apple wood. I like to take the wings until they're about 175 to 185 degrees internal and have great color on them. And as soon as they're done, we'll come back inside, plate them up, and have a taste. Go ahead and get some of our dipping sauce here. And we will start plating up some of our wings. I just love the color on these. That rub really has a nice coloring. That's looking good. Let's have a taste. I am going to go for a flat. Now, just as a point of information, those wings took about 45 minutes to get to the doneness and the color that I wanted out on the grill, out on the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 600 charcoal smoker. And every grill is different. At 275, it might take longer, shorter on yours. Really go by that doneness temperature. Again, I think I topped out about 183 when they looked good and I knew the temperature was right. Let's get one without any dipping sauce first. Cheers. Man, that is a really good wing. Great flavor. Using that Sriracha as a binder, sort of, really fantastic. Now to try our Sriracha honey dip, I'm gonna use a drummy. Get that in there. Cheers. Really great match with the flavor of the wings. It's cooling, yet it still has a bit of spice to it, so it's not like jarring, going from nice heat on the wings to just super chill sauce. Got a little bit of heat on both of them. I'm loving it.